What are you doing?
Who said Jack could come over?
Oh, sorry, me. Hi,
Whoa. You're using the B word? Hello, mister. Who said you could come over? Oh, Blakeley did?
What are you making? Spaghetti?
No, in carrot.
Oh, you're making a carrot.
Excuse me. Are you old enough to come over? That's pretty good.
It's my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend? This boyfriend? But what happened to Dallas?
Bye.
What if he doesn't bring flowers?
Turn it up.
Oh, you're going to break up if he doesn't bring you flowers?